Happy National Avocado Day!
Hi everyone, and welcome to another weekly episode of The Wellness Connection. I'm Michelle LeMay.
And I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
Well, Dr. LeMay, you got your wish.
What wish, Michelle?
Well, last week's episode, you wished that we could do more food recipe videos.
So are we going to do another food recipe?
Yes, we are.
Yes!
And this one you are going to love because it has a lot of good fat and protein in it.
Does that mean we're going to be having two of my favorite ingredients? Eggs and
Avocado.
Avocado, yes.
Yes, because it just so happens to be National Avocado Day.
Yeah.
So everybody thinks guacamole. That's the first thing I like to think.
Yeah.
You know, but that comes in September. So hold your horses for that. But we can do so many more things with avocado than just guacamole. Right?
Correct. And the nice thing is that with avocado, you're getting good omega-3 fats, which again, that's good for hair, skin, nails, teeth, brain, hormones. And again, as we get older, we need better brain function, and we do need hormones too.
Yep, absolutely. So this is going to be a yummy, easy, and healthy recipe, and I think everybody's going to love it because a lot of people love egg salad. So now we're going to add another really yummy component, and that's the avocado. And I know I didn't know this, but when I was looking up National Avocado Day, I didn't realize that an avocado is a fruit.
I know, that's interesting. I mean, that's one of those things I didn't know either.
I didn't know. And technically, avocado is a berry because the flesh is produced by a single ovary. Go figure.
I know.
Oh well, that's okay. We love it. So we're excited to share this very easy, yummy recipe with you that has tons of health benefits, right?
It has a lot of different health benefits to it.
Yes. So I've got my avocado t-shirt on. So I am ready to, not get cooking because you don't have to cook anything. Ready to start.
Just mix things up.
Get mixing.
Because I think there's very few ingredients. So let's get started.
Sounds good. Wasn't that easy?
Super easy.
I know. I love ridiculously easy. So let's see if it's ridiculously good.
Okay, and just remember, this recipe, this is not just for lunchtime. This is breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can have this any time of day. So
yeah, and if people go to our recipes page on our website, they are organized into breakfast, lunches, desserts, smoothies, things like that. But I do say at the top of the page that you could have any of those recipes any time of the day. So, all right. So
I'm ready for any time.
You ready for it? So you could eat it out of a bowl. You could put it on what I did.
Or like what I did is I put it on some like lettuce, like a lettuce wraps. I put it in there so you can just eat it just like a wrap or a sandwich.
So Dr. LeMay is going to be extra special healthy.
Yes.
So
and Michelle's actually having some bread, which is really good. So
yes. So this is a non-GMO, artisan, blah blah blah. Sourdough type of bread. So okay. Yeah, I know it is bread. So okay. There's a lot of my carbs.
I'm gonna eat. Is it okay if I eat right now?
Go ahead. You eat.
Clink.
Clink. Talk. Oh my goodness. I think we're gonna need paper towels here.
This is why I like these kind of shows. This is really good too.
Ooh, this is so good. All right, well,
I put a little extra salt on mine. I like some sea salt on there, so I put a little extra sea salt on there besides the salt and pepper that was already in there. This is yummy. This is great. So we guys just gonna sit here and watch us eat.
sorry. You're gonna go make your own.
Okay.
So, if you like this video / recipe, which we hope that you do, I want you to give us a thumbs up, and then you can see our little logo there at the bottom. Be sure to click the subscribe button, and then click that notification bell so that you get notified every week when we put out a new episode.
Yeah, every week.
So, okay, this is super good. So I really hope you try it.
Yes, give it a try, gang. And again, if you have any other suggestions for us, give us those ideas. Write some comments down below here. And even on some of the things that we're doing with our videos too, you know. We like hearing from you guys. I mean, you're our tribe and we like to hear from you. You're our group.
Absolutely. So, all right, another successful recipe down the hatch.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on the Wellness Connection.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Back to food.
Back to food.